Hi everybody, Robert here with more of our small church project. So I've laid out all the power receptacles, and this video is basically going to be uh, focusing on power circuitry and how you would do a circuit, a full power, based on all these receptacles we have placed in this model. So what happens here is normally what you have to do is select one of these receptacles. And then here, there's this power button. You select that, and you want to hit edit circuit here. And in that process, you want to add or subtract these. So let's add this. I can add that. No, I know. I thought I would get an error message there. And then you'll hit finish. Okay, what's happening here? Okay, there's mine. Yeah, and then you want to select here where you got this arc or elbow. I always like the arc, and you hit that, and there's your wire going to the home run. And I think you can probably even go in a little bit farther here. So I want to select this. Let's select this one here. I'm not an electrician, so don't quote me on this, guys. I'm going to select this, edit power, and edit circuit. So I always hit edit to add or subtract. See here, it's all prompting me to add, so I want to add this one. Oh, I should have stayed in this kitchen area. There's a lot going on here. And I want to finish that. Hit the tab key. And I want the arc. Sorry. Hit the tab key now again. Zoom in. I want the arc. Okay. So there's that circuit. And then you would probably just go on and carry out through the first level. So I want to edit this here. And this is all depending on the panel and the electrical engineer or the electrician, how they do this. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to do this again. I'm going to select this one and hit power. And we're going to arc wire this, but we want to edit and add the rest of these if I can. Probably will overload here somewhere at some point. Maybe not. I'm gonna finish it. Oh, I did. Right at the end. Got a little greedy, folks. But you get the feel, you get the idea how this works. Tab. Okay. And then I want to go and hit this little arc wire here. And there's my circuit for power. Basically, these are, home runs. Everybody's pointing back to the panel here, this panel box. So that's how that's going to work. So we have our power level 1, and we're basically showing the circuitry to the panel. So now we can also move on and have a look at what the quote-unquote actual panel. After creating the panel, you can go to create panel schedules here. Okay, I'm sorry, where's that at? Well, I don't want to pick that into another video, but this is basically how we will do our power layout, our power for the first level. Next you have lighting and whatever. So for this exercise, yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to show you this quickly, or an extension on to the last video I created with regards to the, let me see, this one tile. And I want to have our 3D view. So this is what we got here. We've got this little bitty church it's coming on pretty well. The dimensions haven't changed, so that's a great thing. That's good. But this is going to be our power layout right here. So all of these are connections, and then we'll have them going back to this home run. So anyway, folks, is there anything else here I want to do? Yeah, I'll look at now. In the next video, we'll look at creating the schedules, because actually, let's try to do one right. Let's do one right quick. I'm going to go here and go, let's see, schedules. Okay, all right, that's not there, so I'm going to create panel schedules. Let me do one tile here. So we have our power set up here, and I might have to go have a look at how to do the actual schedule, because I'm not finding the template for that here for some reason on my road program. Let's go to our properties, maybe see what's happening there. But anyway, guys, I might have to leave it there, because or if somebody can help me out here. And schedules. Okay. Now where with? Oh, maybe on the systems. Okay. So I cannot figure out where my panel schedules are, so I'm going to have to do some research, go back and come back and show you that. But this right here is the power layout circuit plan. So hey guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe.